In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate covered strawberry cheesecakes. Hey guys, my name is Erin Courtney and my love and obsession for cheesecake runs really deep. If you're wondering what a chocolate covered strawberry cheesecake is, other than blissful, I'm happy to tell you. These cheesecakes are made in a jumbo muffin pan. What's a jumbo muffin pan? It's like a giant sized cupcake. So these are individual cheesecakes. The crust will be made out of Oreo cookie crumbs and melted butter. Then there's an entire strawberry right in the center and it is completely smothered with New York style chocolate cheesecake. Then we're gonna top it off with a layer of chocolate ganache and then some whipped cream. It doesn't get much better than that. And with Valentine's Day coming up, this is the perfect dessert to make for you and your honey, or just you by yourself if you don't want to share. The recipe for these cheesecakes is on my website, cheferinskitchen.com, and I'll post the link below. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button so you get notifications for new videos because there's going to be a lot more coming. Let's do this. For the crust, we have combined 1 1/2 cups of Oreo cookie crumbs with 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now, since I make cheesecakes on a pretty regular basis, I will typically throw an entire package of Oreo cookies into a food processor and process them to crumbs and then mix them with the melted butter and store them in an airtight container in the fridge when I'm ready to use them. Now we are going to take the cookie crust and evenly distribute it between the cavities. Then we are going to pack it down using my little trusty tool here and set that aside to make our cheesecake filling. Combine 2 8-ounce blocks of softened cream cheese with 1/4 cup cornstarch and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Beat at medium speed with an electric mixer until it's smooth. Add 1/4 cup of unsweetened dark cocoa with 2/3 cup granulated sugar and 2 more 8-ounce blocks of softened cream cheese. Grab that electric mixer and go to town again at medium speed. We want a smooth, velvety, rich consistency with our batter here. Scrape down the sides using a spatula because we'd like to avoid any clumps of cream cheese in our velvety chocolate cheesecake. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and 1 egg. Continue mixing until that is beaten in, and then we are going to add our other egg. Keep on mixing until we get that smooth consistency again. Now we are going to add 3/4 cup of heavy cream and mix slowly, just until we get that smooth consistency one last time. Put a small amount of our chocolate cheesecake batter on top of our crust. Then we will take our fresh strawberries where the stems have been chopped off and put them flat side down into the cheesecake batter. Take the rest of that chocolate cheesecake batter and completely smother every single one of those luscious strawberries. Is anyone else getting as excited about this as I am? Because I cannot wait to eat these. Let's get these popped in a 350-degree oven for 25 minutes. After these cheesecakes are done baking, you're going to let them set aside to cool and then in the refrigerator for a minimum of about 2 to 3 hours just before you start pulling them out of the pan. Try not to eat them, okay, piggy? Gah, can't take you anywhere. For the chocolate ganache, we're going to pour 1/2 cup of hot, heavy cream over 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Then we're going to whisk that together until it is super smooth and the chocolate is completely melted. For this recipe, I like to put my chocolate ganache into squeeze bottles and squeeze all on top of the cheesecakes. If you don't have squeeze bottles, you also have the option of just spreading the chocolate on top, but you do want to put a generous amount. For the whipped cream on top, you can use frozen whipped topping that has been thawed, or you can make your own whipped cream like I did here and put it in a pastry bag and pipe that on top. There's extra whipped cream left over. What should I do with it? Ooh, I know! The time has come to slice into one of these beautiful creatures, and I've called in a professional taste tester. Now, this taste tester does not hold back. There is no sugarcoating letting me know if it's good or, maybe it's okay or no. This taste tester is blunt and will tell me what they think no matter what. But first, let's cut into this beauty. Oh, look at that. Isn't she beautiful? Okay, professional taste tester. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? You gonna tell me what you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? You gonna tell me the truth, all right?
Okay.
What'd you think?
Good.
Good? Yeah? Yummy?
Yeah.
Do you approve? Do you give a thumbs up? You want another bite?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I want the whole thing.
You want the whole thing? Here,
Yeah.
I'll get some. There's a strawberry in the middle of it. Did you see the strawberry?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ooh! There's a strawberry. Oh! Yeah? My professional taste tester approves. That wraps it up for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time.
It can't be that big.
No, I won't give you a bite that big. Here, you want strawberry?
Yeah.
Nah. All right, one more bite, and then that's it.
Wait, I should.
Well, you can't eat the whole thing right now. That thing's like half the size as you are. Yeah.
No.
I think it is. All right. I'll put it in the fridge and you have some more later. How about that? Deal?
The air half.
The other deal? You deal? Deal? Give me a deal.
Can I have that one?
Give me a fist bump. Don't leave me hanging, bro. Thank you.
Then I can have the rest.
Later.
What?
Not right now.